Hey guys, welcome back. And this is not just the normal usual videos that I upload, but this video is something special for you all guys. So the main objective of this video is to give you some understanding of what it is. Yes, as you know from the thumbnail and the title, this is about the skill booster task. Yes, I'm just going to providing you some tasks to improve your skills. Yes, I have the GitHub repository, and the link to this GitHub repository will be available in the description of this video, or else you can just use this URL for reaching here. Okay, so yeah, I will zoom that out. So in case if it is not available or if something wrong happens and if you are not able to access this, then you can just go to this GitHub repository. Okay, so yeah, so you have to go here, and here this is the task that I've just created for beginners, and this task includes steganography, hash cracking, packet analysis, etc. And yeah, let me show you what it is. By going here, you can have the option to download this zip file. So this is our task zip file. So once you downloaded the zip file, then you have to extract that. So yeah, first let me open the folder, and from the downloads we have the zip file. So let me delete the unnecessary things from here. Okay, this is a zip file that you will be able to download from the GitHub repository. Once you download that, you can just extract that. Once you extract, you will be able to see a skills folder. Inside that folder, you have the task folder. So this is your task. You have 5 tasks as of now. So if you support me, if you want more, then I'm happy to create more. But as of now, for this beginning journey, I'm just providing you 5 easy task for you to complete and for you to improve your skills. Your first task is to find the password from the telnet.pkpng file. So this is the file. You have to find the password from it, and you have to find the secret from the image. This image contains a secret, and you have to find that particular secret from that particular image, and you have to find the password and read the files inside something.zip, and you have to crack the hash using the John with the fast.txt word list, and you have to use the raw md5 format, and you have to find the flag inside this particular folder. These are some simple 5 tasks that I'm creating for you. Yes, this is something that you should complete to gain some hands-on experience with this. Okay, so once you completed all those 5 tasks, then you will have some understanding of what it is. So this is something that I am just going to giving to you. If you want more, then don't forget to comment down below. Once you completed all these tasks, then don't forget to comment this below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and contact me on Instagram if you want, if you need any help. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this is something useful for you to improve your skills. And thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one with some amazing contents. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until then, bye bye.